Hello guys, you are welcome to another part of the masterclass. In this part, I will be explaining to you. I think we are having two strategies already. So this will be third, the third strategy I will be explaining to you guys. So this third strategy it goes like this. Remember, I told you guys before you take a trade, there must be a liquidity grab. I explained to you guys what moves the market is liquidity. So whenever the market took out a liquidity, probably at the buy side, then expect the market to move to the sell side. For example, the market is going the price is going this way, then just after taking the liquidity here, that means the high here, you expect the market to reverse. Then again, it's going to take out the liquidity at the top, just like this. Take out this again. So by this, it is forming eyes. But on this strategy, we are going to having something like this. Probably the market is on a downtrend. It broke structure to the downside. Then what do you see again? You see a change of character. So what are you supposed to see after a change of character? This is a break of structure. So let's say the market is on a downtrend. This is a break of structure. Then after a break of structure, what do you expect? You expect to see a sell from this side. The market should respect an order block here, then sell. But instead, the market broke this high and it becomes a change of character. Okay. Now, after the change of character, now this is the strong low. You are expecting to see, you are expecting to take a buy here from the order block here. Probably after the price comes back to your zone, then you buy. But instead, the market again broke the zone and comes like this. But the price did not go far. It's left a order block here. Let me explain to you guys better. There will be a candle here. It will be a kind of rejection candle. This will serve as a block before breaking. Now, after breaking, then the price reversed back to your zone. So at this point, what do you expect? The market is going to retest this order block here and it's going to continue to your direction. So this is what? This is liquidity grab. Already you have your zone there and the price just came down to took the liquidity. Then it's retested, started going to your direction. So many traders who entered for a buy here are going to be stopped out before the market continue going to the direction. So this is a liquidity graph, but having the price broke it very well, something like this, you might no longer consider it a liquidity graph again. But if it's just, most especially if it broke it with wicks, then it is considered a stomp hunt, then it reversed back to your zone. You should take the entry again because it is going to work out. Now we are going to go, you can save this picture. You can save it and relate it to what we are seeing on your screen. With time, you are going to understand better. This is a break of structure. This is a change of character. You are having your zone here. Then it broke it a little. Then it came back inside your zone, retested it, and keep going to your direction. Now I will show you some kind of example. I sent I sent a setup of this crash 300 to the group some times ago, and that was what made me send the setup. Okay, let's go to the 4 hours so you can see it more clearly. Here, look at this. This is a 4 hours time frame. Here we are having a break of structure. Break of structure. Then here is what? Change of character. So we're having our zone here at the extreme block. Let me zoom out so we can see the other block. The other block, the other block is not valid here because it was retested already. So here I would like to explain to you guys what we mean by refinement. Refinement, because I don't think I've mentioned it to you guys. So refinement simply means refining your order block. Refining your order block. So that is when your order block has been, or when it has been mitigated already and you cannot find a valid order block, you move to a more smaller time frame for you to be able to spot a valid order block there. For example, and you can even use it this way, probably you are on a higher time frame and the order block is too big. So you move to your smaller time frame to look for another order block. that will make it more smaller. For example, we are on the 4 hours time frame and you're having an order block like this. So when you move to a smaller time frame, you are going to be having something like this. So this will reduce the amount of stop loss you will be using. If you're having a bigger order block on the 4 hours time frame, you will be expecting to risk more of your equity than when you're having a smaller order block. So here now, as you can see with our order block, uh, confirmation, this is not a valid order block. Why? Because it is mitigated already by these candles. So let's go to the 1 hour time frame so we can refine our order block. Okay, we are refining the order block at this point, and as you can see, this is a valid order block. This candle, it is now a valid order block. Now, for us to see the picture very well, we move to the 4 hours back. Now we're having a valid order block. Can you see? We're having a rejection candle here, which is the green candle in between. Now, then this is called the stop hunt. This is the stop hunt. Then the price retraced back into the zone, then retested it, and it keep going up. The same thing happened here. The same thing happened here. As you can see, here is we can consider here as a change of character as well. And this is going to be a valid block. Refine it to your smaller time frame. It's going to be a valid block. There's not enough confirmation here though. There's not enough confirmation. But this is a valid setup. Okay, even if you look closely, you are going to see here we are having the liquidity. So this is going to add to your confirmation. Okay, guys. So this is going to be the end of the video. If I spot more examples or whenever we come across them, I'm going to call your attention to it so that you guys can understand very better. So don't forget, save the schematic for the strategy and make use of them while trading. It is the strategy is very effective, and as time goes on, we are going to be analyzing more of them together. So I wish you all the best, guys. Do well to practice very well and have a nice day. Bye.